I'm doing a pressure test. So this is my pressure test kit. That's one of the apparatus. I have a pressure valve here and I have my vacuum pressure. So I set pressure to a certain limit, or I give it an exceeding pressure. So let's say I'm doing 15 psi. So more than, not more than, but within a standard range that the system can take. So this is what I found. First of all, visual inspection proved that this radiator was mended with adhesives like epoxy and the rest. Okay, so you could see that from the plastic side of the radiator there's a lot of adhesives. Okay, just like this other end too. But unfortunately for the customer, what they did for the customer didn't actually solve the issue, so it rather created a lot of problems. So you could see that after doing a pressure test, there's a lot of leakages around the pressure, around the plastic side of the radiator. So on the workshop floor, you could see that there's a coolant leakage all over the place. Apparently, it's just water because of the consistent overheating. So you can see that there's. First, going to look at the thermostat in here. There's an adhesive here, so to me it feels either the thermostat is out or the thermostat is stuck or damaged, or it's not actually opening and closing well. Okay, so look at that one and see how it goes. But I can actually tell that my pressure cap on this vehicle is not working, so you can see how it's rattling. It's not supposed to be this way, so it's rattling in there. So probably the vacuum valve or the pressure valve is damaged. So it's just in there doing nothing. And so yeah, no thermostat, people, and this is not good. Running the vehicle without a thermostat means the fuel consumption is going to go high. Engine performance, engine is not going to warm up to its optimal operating temperature. So it's always good to stick with thermostat in there. When it's damaged, take it out, fix another one. End of discussion. All right.